Imagine you are making $120,000 a year. Now imagine you are doing it from your home as a side hustle. This can be a life-changing amount of money for many people and families. In this video, we will reveal to you how to make $10,000 per month in 2023 using these 4 easy ways. It won't exactly be easy, but it's certainly possible. Welcome to Knowledge Pilot. Number 1. Dropshipping AliExpress items on Etsy. If you check out Etsy, there is a shop called Caitlin Minimalist there. The shop sells a lot of custom jewelry, including its most popular item, which is the personalized name necklace. The total number of sales is over 2 million, and the shop has been open since 2014. Now, let's do some quick calculations. If we divided the total number of sales by how long the shop has been open, it would be averaging about 700 sales per day. Looking at the products of the shop, it's safe to say that the average price of the items is around $20. Now, if we multiply that with the average 700 sales per day, the shop is making about $14,000 per day. But let's round that down to say that the shop is making $10,000 per day. This means every month, this shop is making $300,000. Now, if you're worried that you don't have the skills or tools to create custom jewelry, there's an answer for that. There's actually a way to do this that doesn't require you to have any skills or tools, and you can even start doing it with basically $0. Going back to the Etsy shop called Caitlin Minimalist, the regular price of a necklace is at about $40. But if you go to AliExpress, you can find much cheaper deals. If you haven't heard of AliExpress, it's basically a popular website that a lot of online stores use to buy products at very low prices that they can then resell at much higher prices on their own websites. If you go to AliExpress and search for a customized name necklace, you can likely find a product very similar, from as low as $1 each to around $5 each. There are a lot of products to choose from in AliExpress. Basically, every time someone orders a necklace from your Etsy shop, you're just simply heading over to AliExpress, finding a seller that you like who creates custom jewelry to create that piece of jewelry for you, and even after paying the price of $5 for a custom piece of jewelry plus the shipping, you're only paying up to $10. Imagine making $30 profit per necklace and you're doing 50 sales per day. You could be making $1,500 per day and $45,000 per month. This may sound simple, but it doesn't mean that opening an Etsy store, sourcing a reliable supplier from AliExpress, writing product descriptions, and attracting customers is easy. But if you can get past the initial hurdle of getting started and doing research, this is a business that definitely has the potential to completely transform your life. Let's move on to the next. Number 2. Make a YouTube channel. If you can tap into your creative side and are willing to put in a lot of effort, you might be able to make money on YouTube. But let's be real, YouTube is not easy. It's not easy spending several hours working on a video for it only to get 10 views. You have to learn how to create good titles and thumbnails that get people to actually click onto your videos. This is a skill that you have to learn and cultivate over many months and possibly even years. Learning how to create engaging content that people actually want to stick around and watch also takes time. You cannot expect to magically create a YouTube channel and in 1 week start making some of the best content the platform has ever seen. However, there are some very practical things that you can start doing almost immediately to start seeing results much faster. Here are 3 important things that you need to focus on: production quality, how you're packaging your ideas, and your niche. Let's start with the last one and discuss your niche. If you don't establish yourself in a specific niche, nobody is going to subscribe to you because they don't know what to expect from you. Your channel has to have an identity and focus on content that caters to your audience. So after you pick your niche, you really need to learn how to package your ideas. This means that your thumbnails need to be eye-catching. Think about it this way. What will stop a potential viewer from scrolling past your video thumbnail in a list of search results? It must grab their attention. The title must also evoke something to make that potential viewer click on your video. Does it make them curious? Is it promising something wonderful? Clickbait is a real phenomenon that many successful YouTube channels use. Finally, production quality. You must have a good quality camera, great lighting, good background music, and a high quality microphone. These are all essential parts of increasing the production quality for your videos. Breakout YouTube stars with billions of followers stand to make the most money, easily reaching 7 figures. But even lesser known content creators with a modest following can make some solid income on the side or even full-time. Number 3. Make a print-on-demand store for Etsy. Yes, we are back with Etsy, but we're talking about print-on-demand now. With print-on-demand, you don't pay for the cost of the product until you've actually sold it. So there's no need to buy in bulk or hold any inventory yourself. As such, it continues to become a popular business model in the world of e-commerce. The print-on-demand business model covers printing on many different media. A seller on Etsy called Planner Kate has around 2 million sales selling stickers and organization products like printable planners and checklists. The shop has been open since around 2015. If we divide the amount of 2 million total sales with the number of days the shop's been open to date, which is early 2023, we can estimate that this shop is getting over 700 sales per day. With the average cost of the products around $5, the shop is getting about $3,500 per day. This means this shop is earning a little over $100,000 per month. And this is by selling printable calendars and printable planners, both of which are digital products and can be sold an infinite number of times. The stickers that the store sells are also simple to make. Most likely, the shop is just using a print-on-demand service like Printify to dropship the stickers. You see, Printify will print, make, and ship the stickers for you. All you have to do is come up with designs for the stickers. If you go to printify.com and click on Catalog, you'll see an option for stickers under Home and Living. If you click on stickers and start making designs, you'll see how easy it is to do this. And now to the last one. Number 4. Short-form content. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. In 2023, YouTube started letting partners earn money from ads on Shorts. Shorts are YouTube's version of TikTok-style short videos. It's not a secret that short-form content is one of the most popular ways to get information these days. And this new way of getting information has opened up a lot of different ways to make money. And here is where you come in. You might be surprised to learn that a lot of content creators will pay you a lot of money to make short videos for them several times a week. To get started, all you have to do is go to YouTube, find content creators who post regularly, click on their About tab, find their email address, and send them a cold email explaining what you can do for them and how much it will cost. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that most of the creators you'll end up working with will already have long-form content on their YouTube channel. All you're doing is taking small snippets from all this long-form content and making dozens of 30, 60-second clips that the creator can then take and redistribute on other platforms. And don't worry, this business is only going to keep growing. Short-form content is already very popular, but it's very hard to make money with it right now. But as YouTube has already rolled out their new monetization policy, which lets creators make money from the ads that play between videos, something that neither TikTok nor any other platform does, it's likely that a lot of more people will start making short-form content because there will be a much bigger reason to do so. So that's it. You have just learned the 4 easy ways to make $10,000 per month online in 2023. We're going to wrap things up here for today. We hope you liked this video. If you want more information on the tips to make the most out of your money, check out our other videos on the screen. Thank you for watching.